month is it?
February.
It's February. Why are we outside in February?
Because it's still winter, but it's a little warm.
Yeah, you know what? It is almost 60 degrees today, so we are taking advantage and we're gonna get our onion seeds planted. Normally we do them inside in our basement because it's usually freezing cold with ice and snow all over the ground. But this year is a little odd, so we're gonna take advantage of the nice weather. All right. First things first, we have some organic seed starting mix, very important. If you watched our other video on seed starting basics, you'll know that there is a big difference between seed starting mix and potting soil or garden soil. Make sure we have some seed starting mix, and Mr. Blake is gonna go ahead and cut it open and we'll dump it into our bucket.
And make sure you have this kind of scissors to open it up.
They work good, don't they?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
I see it.
All right. So we're gonna mix some in. We've already got some soil in our bucket, but if you are just starting from scratch, go ahead and fill up your bucket 3/4 of the way. And then you want to either bring it to the hose or just bring it to your kitchen sink and pre-moisten the soil.
So now it's time to put the soil mix in to the soil tray.
Yep. So this is a 50 cell tray, and we have, believe it or not, that is 100 seeds. They are so tiny, aren't they? Okay, so we are back. Our seed tray is filled with some nice seed starting mix. It's nice and moist already. Now what do?
Put the hose and put some seeds in.
Yep. All right, good. So we got 2 in each cell? Okay, keep going. We got to fill this whole tray. They have to have 2 seeds in each cell. So last step is going to be to put this humidity dome on. It's going to make them think that it's spring, and then they're going to start to germinate. They should sprout really nicely and very quickly. You know, the back of your seed pack will always tell you how many days to germination. This looks like somewhere around 2 weeks. Then we only put 2 per cell in there, so we don't really have to worry about thinning them. We just plant them just as they are when it's time. And onions, they get to go out a month before your last frost date. So we get to plant them instead of May 15th, we get to plant them April 15th.
Yeah.
So they're gonna go out early. That's why they get started in February.
Yeah.
Because they get planted before your last frost date. Yeah. We're all done. Was that easy?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy planting seeds? You love planting seeds.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about gardening?
I love when they grow and we pick them.
Yes.
But I had to find my garden basket.
Yeah, we have to pull the garden basket out of the shed, right?
But I don't know where it is.
Yeah, it's somewhere in that garden shed over there.
Yeah.
You know what my favorite thing is?
But
My favorite thing is harvest time too. Because
then
then
I love when they grow.
Yes, because all of our hard work, as soon as they start sprouting, just like these, if you remember our video, we did the daylily seeds, and look, they're already up. We're almost 4 inches up already.
And look here's the tiny baby one started.
Yes, so we started those January 1st, and now it's February 20th, so about a month and a half, and this is where we're at. They're about 4 inches tall. They all look fabulous.
Here's another baby one.
Yep.
It's a little bigger than this one.
It's exciting to watch them grow, right?
Yeah.
And then
I've been watching them for weeks.
Yes, those we have.
Thank you for watching the show, and it's really fun to watch your videos because we make you learn what the plants do on it.
Yes,
When they harvest, we show you how to pick them.
exactly right. And it's so much fun, right?
Yeah, to watch them grow and stuff.
It is.